Ever wondered how your everyday glass products are made? It all starts with a special mineral called dolomite. Dolomite is a key raw material in glass manufacturing, providing strength and durability to the final product. But turning raw dolomite into high-quality glass requires advanced processing equipment. Modern dolomite processing systems include crushers, mills, and precision screening machines. These machines break down the dolomite into fine, consistent particles perfect for glass production. The processed dolomite is then mixed with other materials like silica and soda ash in precise ratios. This mixture is melted at extremely high temperatures to form molten glass. Advanced equipment ensures the dolomite is pure and free from contaminants that could weaken the glass. Automated systems monitor every step, from crushing to final blending, for maximum efficiency. This technology allows manufacturers to produce stronger, clearer glass with fewer defects. Whether it's for windows, bottles, or high-tech screens, dolomite processing is crucial. Innovations in this equipment are making glass manufacturing more sustainable and cost-effective. By reducing energy consumption and waste, these systems help protect our environment. Next time you use a glass product, remember the sophisticated dolomite processing behind it. It's amazing how this humble mineral, with the right equipment, becomes part of our daily lives.